Hello everybody, welcome back to Stitched Together Fiber Arts. I'm Emily, your host, and today I am unpacking this box from the Woolery. I ordered this box a few weeks ago when I was talking about doing some more tapestry type weaving, and I ordered this and it's been literally sitting in a box for like a month or two, however long it's been. Partially because of the neck shoulders, which are actually getting a little bit better, and partially because I don't really know much about tapestry weaving, but I'm going to learn and/or I'm going to do something to move in that direction. So I don't even remember exactly what I ordered. I think it's what they call like a school loom, Ashford. It'll tell me when I get this box open. So let's get this box open and I can try to remember what the heck I was thinking a few weeks ago. Because I normally open like to get a package and it's like, woohoo! You know, not like, let's wait several weeks and just let it sit there. And my whole family is wondering like, what is this thing? Paper, a bunch of wooden parts, and here's my packing slip, which will tell me what we've got. Oh yes, a Schacht Tapestry School Loom. Thank you. I knew I would remember when I saw the packing label. have taken as long as it did. Perhaps if I'd followed what the instructions said about using wax or something to make the screws easier to go in, it wouldn't have taken, I don't know, a half an hour. Or maybe the power drill is just not my tool. Anyways, I got this assembled, I put a little bit of tapestry weaving on, and then I took it to the workshop with the high school students, and they got to play around with some yarn and fiber and get the basic idea of weaving. I didn't have a lot of time to talk with them about weaving in their ends, but that's okay. I think everybody had fun, and now, despite all the drama, I have an assembled tapestry loom.